So, hello everyone. Me and my group will talk about critical discourse analysis, and now we'll move on to the next material. There is theoretical frameworks. And now I will explain about what is theoretical frameworks. In critical discourse analysis, there are many types like it can be analytically or theoretically. So basically, critical analysis of news report in a press or lessons and teaching at school are very different from critical analysis of conversation. Therefore, the typical vocabulary of many scholars in critical discourse analysis will show such idea as power, dominance, ideology, gender, class, discrimination, race, interest, institution, reproduction, social order, and social structure. In theoretical frameworks, there are micro versus macro. So, discourse language, use communication, and verbal interaction belong to the micro level of the social array. Power, inequality, and dominance between social groups are in particular terms that belong to the macro level of analysis. So it means that critical discourse analysis should theoretically bridge the well-known gap between the micro and the macro approach, which is of course a difference that is a sociological construct in its own right. So there are certain ways to analyze these levels to arrive at a unified critical analysis as follows. So for the first one is member groups. Member group is language users participate in discourse as a member of several social groups like organization or institutions, and like vice versa, group may act by their member. And for the second one is action process. Action process is like social act of individual actors. There is element of social process and group actions such as news making, legislation, or the propagation of racism. And then for the last one is context social structure. So context social structure is the situation of discursive interaction or similarly part or principle of social structure. And for example, a press conference may be a particular practice for organization and also media institution. There is a local and more global context are tightly related and both utilize constraints on discourse.